Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you how to make baby food, or you can call it baby vegetable soup. Yeah, it's so healthy and it's good. So if you want to know how I achieve this, please stay tuned and keep watching. To make this baby soup, these are the list of the ingredients that we need. As you can see, we have carrot, we have zucchini, we have potatoes, we have fresh tomatoes, and we have onions. That's olive oil, and this one is a vegetable seasoning and salt to taste. So stay tuned, guys. The first thing we are going to do is to clean up all the vegetables, then yeah, slice them, then just stay tuned so that you see how it goes, guys. So before we start, guys, I washed this place before, but I'm still going to clean it up to make sure that it's totally clean, because we are going to wash vegetables there. And those vegetables, I washed some of them before, but we are still going to clean it up again. So we are going to clean it up again, guys. So guys, as you can see, I have cleaned everything. So now we are going to start preparing the soup. So stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. This is the cooking pot that I'm going to use. So now carrots, potato, zucchini, onion, tomatoes. That's salt. Vegetable seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of vegetable seasoning. Olive oil. Just little, about 2 tablespoons. Okay. So I'm going to add a little water, not too much. A little water. Then turn on the heat. Then I'm going to cover it up to cook. Stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. So guys, let's check it out. Wow, can you see that? Now it's ready, guys. It's ready. Guys, as you can see, it has totally cooled down. I just wait for the veg to cool down before I blend it. So now I'm going to blend everything together. So here is the blender I'm going to use. I'm just going to blend it little. So as you can see, guys, the soup is ready. Take a look at that. This is baby soup, vegetable soup. Even you can use it. Can you see that, guys? It looks so colorful and it tastes really good. So if you have a baby of 6 months, you can eat it like this. You can feed your baby with this. A baby. So I always prepare this for my kids, especially when they are still small. It's very good, guys. So if you have not been trying this for your kids, I hope you give it a try. So after preparing this, if you have a baby of 6 months, like I said, you can feed your baby of 6 months with this. And also, if you are preparing your noodles, pasta, spaghetti, even grown up can also use it. Also, it's not only for babies, but I prepare this for my kids. I always do this all the time. So you can add it to your noodles when you prepare noodles for the family. You can also add it to your noodles. You can add it to baby food when you prepare those little pasta for your baby, maybe from 1 year, 6 months, 2 years. So you can add it to it. If you prepare spaghetti, you can also add it to your spaghetti. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm going to preserve it with all this bowl. So I'll be right back, guys. Here we are. Can you see that? So this is how I'm going to preserve it. I will just put one inside my fridge. Yeah, I'll put one inside my fridge. Then I'll take the rest to my freezer. So I'll preserve the rest in my freezer. Whenever I want to make use of it, I will just go to my freezer and bring it out. So can you see that? Can you see? It's really good, guys, and yeah, it's good. So if you have not been preparing this for your children, I hope you do it, especially when you start, like I said, if you start giving your baby food from early age, from 6 months, that's when I start giving my kids this. So if you have been watching to this time, thank you so much for taking out time to watch this video. So this is how I prepare my vegetable soup for my kids. So I hope you give it a try and let me know at the comment section what you think of this. Thank you for taking out time to watch this, and I hope to see you in my next one. Before then, stay safe and bye for now.
Look at the sky, take it